In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Notion. If you use the same type of page over and over inside a Notion database, creating a template can save you a lot of time. Instead of rebuilding the same layout every single time, you can set it up once and reuse it whenever you need it. This is especially helpful for things like task entries, meeting notes, project trackers, content plans, or any workflow where you want a consistent structure. To get started, open Notion and navigate to the database where you want to create the template. This could be a table, board, list, calendar, or another database view. Once you are inside the correct database, look for the blue New button in the top right area of that database. Next to that button, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the menu. From the menu that appears, choose New Template. This will open a template editor where you can design the layout you want Notion to use in the future. Think of this as building a master version of a page that will be copied each time you select it. Now add a title for your template. Make the title clear and specific, so it's easy to recognize later from the template list. After that, add the content you want for this layout. For example, you might include headings, checklists, text prompts, toggles, or any other blocks you normally use. The goal here is to build the page structure exactly the way you want it to appear each time the template is used. You can also pre-fill properties in the template. This is a very useful feature because it allows certain database properties to be automatically applied when someone selects that template. For instance, you can set a status, category, tag, priority, or other property in advance so you don't have to enter the same information repeatedly. Once everything looks good, save the template by clicking the back arrow or simply clicking outside the window. Notion saves it automatically. So here is no separate save button to worry about. That makes the process quick and simple. The next time you click the New button in that database, you can open the drop-down list and select your save template. Notion will instantly create a new database entry using the layout and properties you prepared. That's how to create a template in Notion. Once you start using templates regularly, your workspace becomes faster, cleaner, and much more consistent.